Hello everyone, in this video we see the topic peach roof. First of all, we see what is meant by roof. Roof is the uppermost portion of the building which protects the building from the rain, wind and sun. It's nothing but the slab type structure. Okay, next one. Various types of roofs used may be divided broadly into three types. First one is the flat roof, second one is the shells and floated plates, and third one is the peach roof. We see the peach roof. Okay, what is meant by peach roof and where it is provided? In the area of a heavily rainfall and a snowfall, sloping roof are used. The slopes of a roof shall be more than 10 degree. They may have a slope as much as 45 to 60 degree also. Next one, the slope roof are known as a peach roof. Next one, the sloping roof are preferred in a large span structures like workshop, factory building and warehouses. In all those roofs, covering sheets like AC sheets, GI sheets, tiles, etc. are supported on a suitable structure. Peach roof is nothing but the truss like a structure which have a particular slope, and this kind of a roof structure is provided in a heavy rain and a snowfall sloping area. Okay, and the slope of a roof shall be more than a 10 degree and is as much as is possible the slope is taken as a 45 to 60 degree. Okay, in a roof truss, and that kind of a roof truss is normally seen in a factory work, workshop work, warehouses. Okay, and the peach roof is covered with the help of a GI sheets, AC sheets. Okay, then types of a peach roof. First one is the single roof, second one is the double or a purling roof, third one is the truss roof. Okay, what is meant by single roof and where it is provided? If the span of a roof is less than 5 meter, the following types of a single roof are used. It means that having the less than 5 meter span, the single roof is provided. Okay, the types of a single roofs are lean to roof, coupled close roof, collar beam roof. In all those roofs, rafters placed at 600 mm to 800 mm spacing are main members taking load of the roof. Means the load is taken by that roof is the main member of the load taking of the roof is rafters, and rafters may be provided at 600 mm to 800 mm. Okay, those are the single roof truss images. Okay, you can see that this is like a what truss like a structure. Roof is nothing but the truss like a structure having a sloping surface. Okay, that's why, and those are the different types. Where are the rafters provided? These are the common rafters. You can see there will be a label common rafter. Okay, coupled is called this is, and coupled close means thus both columns are connected. Okay, and in that there will be no. And a collar beam means we provided a single beam, a particular beam over there for the load transferation. Okay, this is the type of a single roof truss, and those are all types and their images. Okay, this is the plan and section elevation of a what coupled roof. Okay, this is like a coupled roof, and this in this picture you can clearly say that this is the battles common rafters. You can see labor common rafter, those walls are called coupled. Okay, then second type of a peach roof truss is double or a purling roof. If the span exceeds, the cost of the rafter increases and a single roof become uneconomical. For span more than 5 meter, double purlin roofs are provided. As the span is greater than the single roof, we can say before single roof is provided for the span of a 5 meter or a less than. If the span is exceed the 5 meter, in that case we require more rafters and it become uneconomical. In that case we provide the double or a purlin roof. Okay. The intermediate support is given to the rafter by purlins supported over a collar beam. What is meant by collar beam? We already said. Okay. This is the diagram of a collar beam. This is the collar beam. Okay. We can see in a single roof truss, and that way we provided, and this is the image of a double purlin roof. For exceeding 5 meter span, in that case we provide the double purlin roof. Okay. Then the truss roof. If a span is more, a framework of a slender member are used to support a sloping roofs. Those frames are known as the truss. We normally see in the truss structure. Okay, truss structure we can see in a workshop or a factory work. A number of trusses may be placed lengthwise to get the wall-free longer haul. Okay. Purlins are provided over the trusses, which in turn support roof sheet. For the span up to the 9 meter, wooden truss may be used, but for a longer span, steel trusses are must. Okay, and in case of a wooden trusses, suitable carpentry joints are made to connect the various members. This is what is meant by truss again. Bolts. This is we see in a wooden truss, and we can now see the steel truss. Steel truss bolts and shafts are also used in case of a steel trusses joint are made using a gusset plate and by providing bolts or a rivet or a welding. Okay, depending upon the span, trusses of a different shapes are used. End of a trusses are supported on a walls or on a column. According to the span, steel truss type may be changed. Okay, and those are the types of a steel truss. King post truss is provided up to the span of a 8 meter. Queen post provided up to the span of a 10 meter. Hovet truss up to the with 4 and 8 panels provided for 6 meter to 30 meter span. Okay, likewise with respect to the span, different types of steel trusses over there, and those are the types of steel trusses. Okay, according to the span, we can change the roof. Pitch roof is provided for the high in a snowfall or a heavily rain area, and also in a type of a workshop, factory work, factory building and warehouses. In that case we provide the roof or a pitch roof truss. Pitch roof truss is basically divided into single roof, double roof and a truss roof. Single roof is provided up to the or a less than a span of a 5 meter. Double roof is provided for exceeding the 10 meter span, and the truss roof is provided for the factory work. And truss roof, there are the two types of truss roof. First one is the wooden and second one is the steel. Okay, in a wooden we require the carpentry joint, and in a steel the joints are made with the gusset plate, bolts and etc. And according to the span, the steel truss type is changed, and we can see the images and their spans. According to that we can change the type of a truss. Okay, everyone understand what is meant by pitch roof and where it is used. Okay, thank you so much.